Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. So today's video is all about the preparation material for TISMAT and OPI, that is your personal interview. So guys, as you know, TISNET result is already declared and I hope you got good marks in the TISNET. Right now आपने जो भी marks score किए हैं in TISNET, out of 100 आपके जो भी marks है, right? Now the weightage for TISNET is 30%. Now rest 40% weightage will be for your TISPAT and the TISMAT. So those guys who are preparing for HRM and ODCL program, they have to prepare for the TISMAT, and for the rest program they will prepare for the TISPAT. So guys, let's talk about the remaining 40% with respect to the TISMAT and 30% with respect to the OPI. So this one, our new YouTube channel named Manu TIS Entrance, which is specific to the TIS Entrance exam. So if you are preparing for TISNET or TISBAT, target Mumbai, Tuljapur, Hyderabad, Guwahati or Chennai Palm campus. Get the best coaching from Manu Education. Call our board line number 8828581455. So guys, link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description, and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates with respect to the TIS Entrance. So guys, if you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section. Now let's move to our main topic. What are the preparation material for the TISMAT and the OPI? So just come at manuedu.com, then click on buy online section, then MBA entrance. Now just click on the full course. So here it is, the TISMAT 2021 video lectures, handouts and 10 full length mock tests. Guys, if you wanna score more in your TISMAT because it has highest weightage for your selection process criteria, so click on view details. This will include 68 video lectures, 27 handouts for the practice purpose and 10 mock tests, and which is 100% compatible with overall syllabus. It will include the reading comprehension part, data interpretation, current affairs and also the descriptive writing or VAT. So just add to cart because once result is out, now you have very few days left for the preparation. So if you want a mock test only to evaluate yourself, just click on the mock test, show packages. So here it is, the TISMAT 2021 mock test, full length mock test. You can also add this one and you can analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. So you can easily understand how much preparation is left and how much preparations you have to cover. Now guys, you can click here on the sectional wise courses. For particular topic you will get the programs. This one is for descriptive writing and this one TISMAT 2021 descriptive writing plus personal interview, and this one is only for the personal interview. Just click on view details. Now you will get the 9 video lectures in it and one handout, and these all are the subtopics of your personal interview. Okay guys, so get overall idea about the TISMAT, what are the content in the descriptive writing, what are the overall topics and contents in the TISMAT, and also in the OPI, that is nothing but the online personal interview. So guys, this is all from the today's video. You will get overall programs. Now enroll for each particular program as per your requirement. So guys, race is not over yet. You all score good marks and congratulations to all of you. Now you have to prepare more for remaining 40% of the TISMAT and 30% of the OPI. So this is all from the today's video guys. If you wanna online programs, you can enroll for the books, mock test, sectional course and the full course. If you wanna live lectures, then call us on 8828581455 or visit at manuedu.com/MBA entrance. So guys, right now you have to focus more on the TISMAT, that is 40% weightage, and the OPI, that is of 30% weightage. So you only covered 30% race. Now you have to focus on your remaining 70%. So if you are preparing for 2022 program, you can also join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So this is all. To get the regular updates with respect to the TISNET, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.